Hi, let's turn on Emergency SOS Call on iPhone. So for that, we need to start by going in Settings, and here just scroll down to find Emergency SOS Settings. Now, by default, you will see that this feature call with hold and release is turned on. So this means that you can continuously hold this side button and either volume up button or down, and a countdown begins and an alarm sounds. So basically you need to hold those two buttons and keep holding to trigger emergency SOS. But of course I'm not gonna do this. Now you can also press and hold power and volume up or volume down. Again, here release the buttons and then just slide right to call emergency services. Now you can also activate to call with 5 button presses, and for that you need to toggle on the switch near the feature so it will light up green. Now you can just click 5 times the side button to trigger emergency SOS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you saw this countdown, but of course I cancelled this call as well. Now, if you want to, you can activate to call quietly. So warning, alarms, flashes, and voiceover audio will be silenced when using hold and release or 5 button presses to place an emergency call. And I highly recommend you to turn on call after a severe crash, because if you're in a car crash, iPhone can automatically call emergency services and it will start a countdown and sound an alarm before they call. So, and the last feature we got here is we can add people to Health app as our emergency contacts. For that, click right here. Just added this information about your medical ID. So just set up your medical ID and find the section Emergency Contacts. By tapping on the green plus, you can pick any contact from your contacts list. So let's just find any contact. Then you can set a relationship with that person. For example, I can choose family member and then tap done. After that, it will be placed in your medical ID as well as in emergency SOS section. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.